Today, the NFL Players Association received official confirmation today that former Baltimore Ravens running back Ray Rice is suspended indefinitely for punching his then-fiancée in an Atlantic City hotel. Rice was initially suspended for 2 games, but NFL Commissioner Roger Goodell made it indefinite on Monday after video surfaced that showed the attack. Goodell insists he did not see the video before this week. One person who did see that video months ago was the local prosecutor, and now some are questioning his decision to let Rice enter a counseling program instead of facing trial for assault. Elaine Quijano has been looking into this.
Atlantic County Prosecutor Jim McClain says Ray Rice did not receive special treatment by avoiding jail time and probation. Despite having strong evidence that Rice assaulted his then-fiancée, Janae Palmer, inside a casino elevator, Prosecutor McClain signed off on an agreement which allowed Rice to enter a pretrial intervention program, often called PTI. Rice could have his record wiped clean if he completes anger management counseling. Former Bergen County, New Jersey prosecutor Ray Flood says it was the right call.
I don't in any way fault the judgment made by the Atlantic County prosecutor to admit him into the program.
She was knocked unconscious.
But when I talk about the legal definition of serious bodily injury in New Jersey, which is what you would have to prove beyond a reasonable doubt for an aggravated assault, that means there would have to be a substantial risk of death.
But former Atlantic County prosecutor David Glassman says Rice got off too easy.
I don't think PTI was intended for these types of cases. There's no question that what you saw in that video could have easily been a death blow.
The debate is now about the law. In the last year, 7,082 cases were resolved through New Jersey's PTI program. Those eligible generally have no criminal record in the prior 5 years. The prosecutor then has the discretion to look at the circumstances surrounding the crime and to consider a victim's wishes. New Jersey Senate President Stephen Sweeney.
The thing that troubles me the most here is that we watched a woman be savagely beaten and a slap on the wrist. And if there was no special treatment and this was the routine process, we in New Jersey, and I don't know about other states, but we in New Jersey have to relook our laws with domestic violence because it's not acceptable.
Prosecutor McClain declined our repeated requests for an interview. But earlier this week, he told a local newspaper, quote, "I just want people to know the decision was made after careful consideration of the law, careful consideration of the facts, hearing the voice of the victim."
Janae Palmer did support Ray Rice's application to enter the PTI program. As for the law, Senator Sweeney says he has asked the state attorney general to review the prosecutor's decision.
Elaine, thanks very much.